Hello and welcome to Grappling Man's Elite Videos. Today I'd like to take a look at the engineering possibilities on the suits of Elite Dangerous Odyssey. Now I am just now starting the game like a lot of people are, so there may be some things that are not currently available or you may have just found out. If you do, send them my way and I'll update the video. I'd like to focus on the materials needed to engineer each of the different types of suits, and then briefly show you a little bit about the engineers and the potential experimentals that can be added. I'll start with the Maverick Suit. This is used for scavenging. If you look at the requirements for upgrading it, now I have a grade 3, but the earlier grades basically require the same materials just in different quantities. So you can see you'll need suit schematics, health monitors, power regulators, manufacturing instructions, carbon fiber plating, and graphene. All of those can be found at settlement locations, and manufacturing instructions can be found at impact sites. The Maverick Suit can be upgraded, and it costs you obviously some credits each level you go up, and just like in Horizons, the higher you go up, the more materials are needed. The Maverick Suit, along with all the other suits, come with an energy link and profile analyzer. However, the Maverick Suit also comes with an arc cutter so that you can break into the buildings. You can see the stats on the right hand side, and it's basically the shield rates, health rates go up about 4 units every level, and you get an extra slot for carrying mods. So the Maverick Suit is generally going to be what most people will want to have on board. Next up is the Dominator Suit, the one that everybody wants for combat. So the Dominator Suit, just like the others, has the profile analyzer and the energy link, but it doesn't have a special weapon. But it does have an extra weapon slot for a second primary weapon, which gives you more firepower. You can see that it also requires the suit schematic, the health monitor, the power regulator, manufacturing instructions, and graphene. The unique thing for the Dominator Suit is it needs the titanium plating, and that, along with all the other things, can be found at settlements, and again, manufacturing instructions can be found at impact sites. And of course, obviously I have a first level one here, so you can see that it doesn't require a lot of those things to get to the next level, but as you go up it requires more and more, just like the previous suits. And next up is the Artemis Suit, the suit that the explorers are going to want to use. Now this suit, again, along with the energy link and the profile analyzer, contains a genetic sampler, which many people have seen in the little mini game, allows you to collect scans of various organisms and turn that in for credits. This suit, just like all the others, requires the suit schematic, the health monitor, power regulator, manufacturing instructions, and graphene. However, the new material, and this is actually a component, is aerogel, which also is found at the settlements. There are 3 categories of materials: goods, data, and components. And all the suits require 3 goods: the suit schematic, the health monitor, and the power regulator, 1 data, which is the manufacturing instructions, and 2 components, which in various cases always is graphene, but could be carbon fiber plating, titanium plating, and aerogel. Now next up are the engineers that modify the pilots. Now there are 9 new engineers, and these engineers are not all discovered yet, at least based on the fandom wiki page that I checked. Right now we have 3 that are known and located. If any of you commanders out there watching this have discovered something new, please share it in the comments so the rest of the community can gain from your knowledge. All of the suits, regardless of their type, can have experimentals put on them, and it seems as if all the experimentals will be available on all of the suits, or at least that's the way it's portrayed. Of course, once I start engineering them, I'll let you know. But you can see from this list, there's quite a few specific things that you can add to your suit based on your gameplay style. Well, commanders, I hope that this video has been at least a good introduction for those of you that are looking at the suits, and at least a place to find everything in one spot. And good luck hunting your materials and getting your suits modified. Stay safe. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share it. I'd greatly appreciate it. Grappler Man out.